Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issues that your iPhone is restart again and again. So how you can fix that issue in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So simply just follow all the steps I'm going to tell that in this video to fix that issue. The first step is that you just force restart your iPhone. The first step is that you just press the volume up button and press the power button, and both press the button and of your iPhone. It's mean your iPhone gonna force restart. After force restart, the second step is that check storage. So make sure that your storage have enough space. So if you don't have enough space, just go to the settings of your iPhone and just scroll it down and just go to the general section and just going to the iPhone storage, and to make sure that you have enough storage on your iPhone, just like that. And also make sure that you just have to just delete the unused apps and also all downloads, and if you have a large videos which you did not need, and just go back after deleting your live videos. Also, the third step is that remove the problematic apps, just like that. VPN, unused VPNs if you not used, so delete it. And the other thing is cleaner apps and also battery saver apps. You just have to just remove from your iPhone. After removing is the fourth step is that fix your overheating. So make sure you remove your phone case and stop gaming and heavy apps on your iPhone, and let your iPhone cool for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, you have to just avoid also the charging while hot. So after 10 to 15 minutes, try to again on your iPhone and check that it's working or not. So the fifth step is that you just have to just update your iOS. So just going to the settings of your iPhone, and it's going to the soft general section, and it's going to software update and just update the latest iOS version into your iPhone and your iPad. After that, restart your all settings. So just going to the again general section and just scroll it down and see the option of a transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on that and just tap on reset and reset all settings. After doing that, we just also the seventh step is that after doing that setting, just going back and just going again back and just check go to the battery, and to check that your battery health, just scroll down and just going click on battery health and see that maximum capacity 100%. So my battery health is good, and it's original battery and not replacement battery. So make sure that after that, you just 10 to 50 minutes and just cool your iPhone. After, try to on your iPhone and to check that it's working or not. If it's not working, then you just go to nearby mobile repairing center and to tell them your problem. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.